Hello, welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can apply for visa to Nigeria on arrival. How you can apply for visa on arrival in Nigeria. That's the tutorial I want to show you today. Depending on where you are calling from, where you are watching from. If you want to come to Nigeria, you want to apply for visa on arrival. The best thing to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. For you to apply visa on arrival in Nigeria, all you have to do is to visit Portal.immigration.gov.ng. Let me repeat it again for your understanding. The website is Portal.immigration.gov.ng. Once you launch this website, all you have to do is it will provide this particular interface. All you have to do is, depending on where you are coming from, so it's already selected Nigeria is your destination. So you click this drop down here for you to select where you are coming from. Let's say you're coming from Australia or Austria. Let's say you're coming from Australia. You just select Australia. It will ask you, say non-Nigerian applicants under the age of 18 are not allowed for visa on arrival under business category. Are you over 18 years old? If you are over 18 years old, you have to say yes. You click this red icon here, say yes. Once you have clicked that, next line of action again is for you to come to visa type. Click on it, it will say you select business. So you put business, and that is all you have to do. Thereafter, after you put business, you will see all that is required of you. Just go through this. To all our valued customer, please read in full. So you have to read this guide here on how you can get this visa. So you have to go through this, read it, and you also see the requirements on how you can get this visa on arrival. So just go through. After you have gone through it, you just click start application. You click start application. Once you start the application, you allow it to load. After loading, to bring it to here, which is Innovate 1. So you scroll down. You see passport and visa processing. So passport and visa processing, click on this passport. Just click on this passport and visa processing. Click on it. Oh, okay. So just say learn more. Just click on learn more on visa processing. Just click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will bring you here. Just scroll down. When you scroll down, it will say apply for passport online. It's in case you don't have passport, so you can apply for the passport online. It also asks you apply for a visa online, but mark you, the one you apply for is visa on arrival. So see visa, apply for visa on arrival online. So you click apply for visa on arrival online. So you wait patiently for the portal to load. After loading, it will bring you to this place. You can see the place is bringing you now, visa.immigration.gov.ng. visa.immigration.gov.ng. Are you there? So to give you the steps of how you can get this e-visa, as you can get your visa on arrival in Nigeria. So if you see step 1 says login, step 1 login, step 2 said fill application form, step 3 say make payment. The payment must be made online. Cash is not accepted. So you can also scan to download the e-visa app. There's also an app where you can also do this, seamlessly without much, issue. So you can see this particular code here. So you can scan this code. Once you scan this code, you can easily download this app for you to apply for this visa on arrival. So if you don't want to do that, you want to do it on the web interface, all you have to do is come up here now and click. It's the first step, sign in. You click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will take you to where you are going to register. After registering, you then sign in. After you have signed in, now it will pop up a form where you have to fill. After filling the form, you also give you where you can make payment. So make payment online, or you see the payment option that is available there. You make payment and submit. So automatically, it will take you to where your visa will be approved or not approved. So that is how it is done. If you have any issue in this application process, do not forget to use the comment box below on this video to just make your comment, and we will swiftly respond to your comments. Thanks for watching our video. If you also like the video, do not forget to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, to everything. Thanks for watching. We would like to see you next again in our channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful stay in Nigeria. Bye for now.